Chinese sellers' problems arriving right here on US. Today's Thursday, January 23rd, 2020, and this is Amazon Sellers Breaking News. Before I get into the breaking news, top 4 stories, 3 of which have to do with intellectual property right issues, which you need to know about. I want to let you know that I might be going through a bit of a midlife crisis. I bought my little guy Max a dirt bike and we started riding, which led to me picking up a dirt bike so I can try and keep up with him, which led to me needing a giant pickup truck. So I am now the proud owner of a 15-year-old Dodge Ram 1500 that is just gigantic. So now I can get the dirt bikes to the track. And if you think I'm going too far, please let me know. Listing suspensions are up for products that are not as described. Whatever you are delivering to Amazon's consumers, you better make sure that what is arriving on the doorstep is exactly as is described in that listing. These types of suspensions are up. Now, 3 different intellectual property right issues today. Kindle KDP Suspensions. If you're a writer, it is virtually impossible to succeed today without publishing on Kindle. They have such a vast majority, over 90% of the ebook market. We have started to receive calls from Kindle publishers who are using images owned by other companies on their books and getting suspended. Be super careful. Also, we've represented about a dozen different authors around the country taking Amazon to arbitration. We know a ton about the keyword manipulation. We know how they monitor your sales on limited versus a la carte, and we can help you do very, very well. So give us a call if you're a Kindle author. Vorys once again sending out tons of baseless claims against third-party sellers. If you are delivering genuine products and you receive a letter from the Vorys law firm, I need to hear from you. The vast majority of their claims are absolutely nonsense, but from time to time, some of their claims have merit, and you need to know the difference. Last IP issue of the day, private label sellers receiving counterfeit complaints, which is absolutely 100% ridiculous. If you're a private label seller, you own the brand. You're certainly not selling counterfeit of your own product. But we've seen a rise of these baseless counterfeit complaints asserted against private label sellers, often by people and companies that have Amazon vendor accounts. If you want to learn more about IP rights, we have over 162 different free videos. We have an entire playlist right here on YouTube where you can learn all about trademark, copyright, trade dress, some patent information, how to handle baseless complaints, how to protect your products. Okay, that is today's breaking news. Please join me again tomorrow for another episode of Amazon Sellers News. And like this video, smash that like button, hit that like button, give me a huge thumbs up, like. That's what I want to see at the end of this video, is our highest record of likes ever. And join me again tomorrow morning for another episode of Amazon Sellers Breaking News.